Welcome to Sri Venkatesh Super Speciality Hospital, where healing is an art and excellence is our tradition. Here to heal is not just a tagline, it's our promise to you. In the heart of our city stands a beacon of healthcare innovation. A 170-plus bedded super speciality hospital equipped with the finest medical minds and cutting-edge technology. Sri Venkatesh isn't just a hospital, it's an institute for comprehensive heart and lungs care. Our 30-plus experienced doctors and 200-plus skilled nursing staff forms a powerhouse dedicated to your well-being. With 45-plus modern ICU beds and a 24/7 emergency department, your health is in capable hands. While designing, the infrastructure management team takes extra care to ensure that every part of our hospital is filled with fresh air and natural light. This goes beyond creating a pleasant environment. It's about ensuring your well-being. Our careful ventilation strategy not only enhances the visual appeal of the hospital, but also fosters a positive atmosphere beneficial to your health. Whether you are in our high-tech cath labs for complex procedures, attending specialized clinics, or simply walking through our corridors, we have crafted every space with your comfort and health in mind. At Sri Venkatesh Super Speciality Hospital, we believe that a holistic healthcare experience begins with a thoughtful and uplifting environment. We are not just specialists, we are leaders in cardiology and cardiovascular surgery, trauma, emergency and critical care, pulmonary medicine, renal sciences, orthopedic and joint replacement, general and laparoscopic surgery, gastroenterology. At Sri Venkatesh, we redefine possibilities with advanced cath labs and minimal invasive cardiac surgeries. Enter our world of specialized clinics, the Advanced Heart and Valve Clinic, Chronic Lungs Disease Management Clinic, Sports Injury Clinic, where expertise meets compassion. Choose from our comprehensive health checkup packages and find solace in specialized clinics like Advanced Asthma and COPD Clinic, Pain Management Clinic, Cardiac and Neuro Rehabilitation Clinic, and Heart Failure Clinic. We excel in various medical fields, from heart care and surgeries to emergency services, orthopedics, and more. Our skilled teams cover critical care, anesthesiology, gynecology, gastroenterology, obstetrics, and specialties like plastic surgery, neurology, radiology, nephrology, and physiotherapy. From head to toe, we have got your health covered with expertise in cardiac and vascular surgery, trauma care, and dental surgery. In future, days will see the main goal of Sri Venkatesh Super Speciality Hospital expand to include the provision of superior tertiary care services in addition to transplant heart, lungs, and kidneys. Join us on a transformative journey to well-being. We go beyond being a hospital. We become your companions on the path to wellness, committed to guiding you through every step of your healing journey. Step into the future of healthcare with us. Our mission is your healing. Your well-being is not just our commitment, it's our heartfelt promise. Together, let's forge a future of lasting health and vitality.